everyone, welcome back once again to my channel. My name is Mandy Amaka in case if you are tuning in for the first time. So today's video will be all about this simple, gorgeous hairstyle that you all will love. Just watch the video, you will see the hairstyle I'm talking about. I'll start by using my Brazilian wool, and the Brazilian wool I measured at 50 inches of the wool, and that is what I'll be using for the hair making. Okay, so after cutting my Brazilian wool, I'll just set it aside. Then I'll go over to the parting of the hair. You know me now, if I want to make any hair, I'll first of all part it and then start making it one by one so that it will be very easy for me. So I will start from the back as usual to part the hair. Okay, so the first one I'll be parting it into two equal parts. The first one is I usually cut the first one at the back into two equal parts, then followed by the second step and then the final step. Just watch the video, you understand better. Yeah, I'm done with the first parting of the hair, which I cut into two. I've now moved over to the second parting of the hair, and in this second parting I got like 5 cuttings out of it. Okay, before I now move over to the third part I also got 2 cuttings out of it. The third parting of the hair is at the middle, right at the middle of the hair, and I cut it also into two equal parts before I now finally move to the front part. And in that front part, in my last video I made mention of not parting the hair right from the middle. I told you guys that some people doesn't like their hair to be parted right from the middle, as in the parting. Okay, some people doesn't like it to be in the middle of their hair, so I made mention of it and I told you guys that in my next tutorial I'll try as much as possible not to put the parting right in the middle. I would just want to braid it without any parting in the middle, and that is exactly what I'm doing. So after cutting this third parting, I've mapped it out and I've cut it into two equal parts also. Then I will now move over right to the front, and that front I'll be getting like 3 cuttings out of it. So just watch the video, guys, you understand better. So yeah, I'm done with the final parting of the hair, which is the front part, and I got 3 cuttings out of it. So after everything, I was getting a total of 12 cuttings in the whole hair. So let's just count to be sure of what I'm saying. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and the 12. So I got 12 cuttings out of it. Then after everything, I will now move over to the next step, which is using my kinky to braid down the hair. So in this process, in this video, I used two methods. Firstly, the first method I use, I first of all tie it at the root of the hair before I finally use my Brazilian wool to braid it. But when I was using my Brazilian wool to tie it down, I just noticed that the after tying the root of the hair with my kinky and then tying it with my Brazilian wool, I just noticed that the root of the hair was so bulky and as in it was very big. So and it was very difficult for me to wrap the Brazilian wool around the hair very well. So I decided to choose another method, which is braiding the root of the hair. Boss braid. You understand? You understand what I mean by boss braid? I first of all boss braid the root of the hair before I finally tie it down with my Brazilian wool. That is the method I finally use for the whole hair. Just watch the video, you understand better. And you will also notice that I started from the middle to braid the hair. The reason why I started from the middle is because I want the packing to be at the middle, you understand? So I want to use that one to measuring others. Like if I braid from the back, I will measure it to make sure that all of them are equal, so that if I want to tie it together, it will be very easy for me. Because if I do not measure it at the end of the day, if I want to pack it together, I might notice that one is longer than the other one, and it will lead to losing some just for it to be in the same line, the same size. So that was why I started from the middle, so that at the end of the day, if I pack it out, all of them will be equal, as in it will not give me stress. Just watch the video, you understand better. Yeah, I'm done with tying the hair, the whole hair. I've finished everything. Now is the time to cut off the excess Brazilian wool that is there. I will cut it all off before I finally pack the hair together the way I want. And after packing it together, I will now trim it. I will now trim the hair so that it will look good. Because after packing it, you just find out that it is very bulky and it won't be the same size. You understand? The kinky will not be the same size. So I will go ahead to trim the hair very well so that it will look good. So guys, this is the final look of the hair. So let me know how you see the hair in the comment section below, okay? Do you love the hair? Are you gonna try it out on your own hair? Let me know your mind in the comment section below, okay? Thank you all for watching. Thank you for your maximum support. I really appreciate it.